This place is known as the Killing House. It's the drone school of Ukraine's 3rd Assault Brigade. What they do here is they train the drone pilots of the future. Now, drone technology is developing extremely fast on the battlefields here in Ukraine. At the beginning of the war, they were used to scout out enemy positions. Then some started carrying some smaller munitions, and now you have drones that can even attack tanks. One of the things that they actually have here at this drone school is a mock main battle tank that students learn how to attack with drones that carry such munitions. The school here says that some 1,500 students have already graduated from the Killing House drone school, but they also say that only about 30% of them immediately join the military. They say a lot of people simply want the skills, so in case they get mobilized, they can become drone pilots and contribute to the war effort. All of this as the Ukrainians understand that they have far fewer people than the Russians, far fewer military tanks and armored vehicles than the Russians, but they believe that drones can be a big equalizer on the battlefield to help sustain their effort.